Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to walk you through how I make $500 every single day trading altcoins. And as a bonus, I'll also share 5 of the best altcoins to trade right now. These are coins that I've been keeping an eye on because of their strong potential and high volatility, making them perfect for traders looking to capitalize on market movements. So stick around till the end of the video because I'll reveal which coins I think are the best picks and explain why they could be great opportunities. If you're new to crypto or still figuring out where to start, there are 2 platforms I highly recommend, OKX and Binance. With my exclusive links in the description, you'll get some amazing benefits like super low trading fees when you sign up. Trust me, these fees can make a huge difference over time. Also, there is a video guide link in the description telling exactly how to start and covering every point. Trust me, this video is all you need to start. When I first got into trading, I'll be honest, it wasn't easy. I started during the 2017 bull run when everyone was talking about Bitcoin and altcoins. It felt like the easiest way to make money, but I quickly learned that trading isn't just about jumping in and hoping for the best. My first trades were terrible. I bought into hype without any real strategy, and I didn't understand how to manage risk. As you can imagine, I lost a lot of money. But instead of giving up, I decided to take a step back and really learn. I watched countless tutorials, read books, and spent time experimenting with small amounts. Over time, I developed a system that works for me, and now I've turned trading into a consistent income source. Altcoins are where I focus most of my trading. You might wonder why not just stick with Bitcoin or Ethereum? While those are great, they're relatively stable compared to altcoins. The thing about altcoins is that they're much more volatile, which means bigger price movements. And for traders, volatility is opportunity. For example, Bitcoin might move 2-3% in a day, but some altcoins can jump 20-30% or more. That's where the real potential for daily profits lies. Another reason I love altcoins is their diversity. Each coin has its own unique use case and community. Some focus on gaming, others on decentralized finance, storage, or even cross-border payments. This variety means there's always something exciting happening in the market. To trade effectively, you need the right tools. I use platforms like Binance and OKX. Binance has a massive selection of coins, while OKX is really beginner-friendly and has low fees, which is important when you're trading frequently. For analyzing trades, TradingView is my go-to. It's where I set up all my charts and use indicators like RSI and moving averages to plan my trades. I also stay updated on market news because in crypto, things move fast. A single announcement or tweet can shift the market, so I follow websites like Cointelegraph and CryptoSlate, as well as Crypto Twitter. Finally, I use apps like CoinStats to track my portfolio in real time. It's a great way to see how my trades are performing without constantly logging into exchanges. Before I continue, I just want to thank Re.Pay for sponsoring this video. It's the easiest way to manage your crypto. You can transfer your USDT or any other crypto from any exchange straight to Re.Pay. Get a digital card and a physical card to use your crypto anytime, anywhere. Plus, when you sign up, you will get a free $5. Check out the link in the description. Trading is all about consistency, and that starts with having a routine. I begin my day by checking the overall market. Bitcoin is the first thing I look at because it sets the tone for the rest of the market. If Bitcoin is doing well, altcoins usually follow. Then I scan for opportunities. I look for altcoins with high trading volume and significant price movements. Once I have a short list, I dive into the charts. I look for patterns like ascending triangles or breakouts, and I use indicators to confirm my analysis. Timing is everything, so I prefer to trade during high volume hours, like when the European and US markets overlap. This ensures there's enough liquidity to get in and out of trades easily. At the end of the day, I review my trades to see what worked and what didn't. This helps me continuously improve. When it comes to trading strategies, I like to keep it simple but effective. Scalping is one of my favorite methods. It's all about making quick trades to capture small price movements. I might hold a trade for just a few minutes to an hour. It's fast-paced but works great for coins that are highly volatile. Another strategy I use is breakout trading. When a coin breaks through a key resistance level, it often leads to a strong price movement, and that's where I jump in. For coins showing clear upward trends, I use swing trading. This involves holding onto a coin for a few days to capture larger price moves. It's less hectic than scalping, but just as effective. Risk management is the most important part of trading. I always set limits on how much I'm willing to risk. For me, I never risk more than 2% of my portfolio on a single trade. This way, even if the trade goes wrong, the loss is manageable. I also always set stop-loss orders to protect my positions. For example, if I buy a coin at $10, I'll set my stop-loss at $9.50. This ensures I cut my losses before they get out of hand. On the flip side, I take profits incrementally. If a coin hits my first target, I sell part of my position and let the rest ride. This locks in gains while keeping me exposed to further upside. Over the years, I've made a lot of mistakes, and I want to share some of them so you can avoid them. One of the biggest mistakes is chasing FOMO. It's tempting to jump into a coin that's already pumping, but more often than not, you'll end up buying at the top. Always wait for a pullback before entering. Another common mistake is overtrading. More trades don't mean more profits. It's better to focus on high-quality setups rather than trying to trade every opportunity. And finally, never ignore risk management. Always have a plan for what to do if the trade doesn't go your way. Trading is as much about mindset as it is about strategy. You need to stay disciplined and stick to your plan, even when things don't go as expected. If you lose on a trade, don't chase your losses. Instead, analyze what went wrong and learn from it. If you win, don't get overconfident. Stay humble and stick to your system. All right, let's dive into the details of the 5 altcoins I mentioned earlier and why I believe they are great picks for trading right now. Each of these coins has unique features and strong market potential, making them ideal for traders looking to capitalize on volatility and momentum. Let's start with Filecoin, FIL. Filecoin is one of the leading decentralized storage networks. Think of it as a blockchain-based alternative to Google Drive or Dropbox. But instead of relying on centralized servers, it uses a distributed network of computers to store data. This concept is crucial as the world increasingly moves toward decentralization and privacy-focused solutions. From a trader's perspective, Filecoin offers excellent opportunities because of its utility and the growing demand for decentralized storage, especially in the NFT and Web3 spaces. FIL often experiences significant price movements around key announcements, partnerships, or adoption milestones. For example, when Filecoin partners with major NFT platforms to store digital assets, the market often responds with bullish sentiment. Its price action is relatively predictable with clear support and resistance levels, making it great for swing or breakout trading. If you're looking for a coin that combines real-world utility with strong trading potential, Filecoin should definitely be on your radar. Next, we have Gala. Gala is making waves in the play-to-earn gaming and NFT ecosystems. What's exciting about Gala is its focus on empowering gamers and developers by giving them ownership of their in-game assets. Through blockchain technology, Gala enables players to truly own their rewards, characters, and other digital items. From a trading standpoint, Gala is highly volatile, which is perfect for traders who know how to read market trends. The gaming and NFT sectors are rapidly growing, and whenever there's news about a new game launch or partnership, Gala's price tends to surge. Additionally, Gala has a passionate community and a rapidly expanding ecosystem, which helps sustain trading interest. The volatility of Gala makes it ideal for scalping or short-term trades. If you're into gaming-related cryptos, this is one to watch closely. Now let's talk about Cardano, ADA. Cardano is one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies in the market, and it has built a reputation for its scientific approach to blockchain development. It's a proof-of-stake blockchain, meaning it's more energy efficient than proof-of-work networks like Bitcoin. Cardano is also designed to be highly scalable and secure, which makes it appealing for long-term adoption. What makes Cardano exciting for traders is its steady development and updates. The recent upgrades, such as the addition of smart contract functionality, have opened up new opportunities in decentralized finance, DeFi. Whenever Cardano announces an upgrade or partnership, it creates significant trading volume and price movement. Cardano is also relatively stable compared to highly speculative coins, which makes it a good choice for traders looking for consistent trends. Its price often respects technical levels, which is great for swing trading or longer-term strategies. Moving on to Avalanche, AVAX. Avalanche is all about speed and scalability. It's often referred to as a competitor to Ethereum because it supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, but it's much faster and cheaper to use. Avalanche can handle up to 4,500 transactions per second, which is a game changer for DeFi and NFT projects. Avalanche has been gaining attention from big players in the industry, including Deloitte, which is using its blockchain for innovative solutions. These partnerships often act as catalysts, driving AVAX's price higher. As a trader, you can take advantage of these price movements by monitoring news and announcements related to the Avalanche ecosystem. Avalanche's chart patterns are typically well-defined, making it suitable for breakout or trend-following strategies. It's also highly liquid, meaning it's easy to enter and exit trades without significant slippage. For those who enjoy trading high-performance blockchains, Avalanche is a top pick. Finally, let's talk about XRP. XRP is one of the oldest and most recognized cryptocurrencies, primarily because of its focus on cross-border payments. Unlike other cryptos that aim to replace traditional systems, XRP works with banks and financial institutions to make transactions faster and cheaper. It's designed for speed, with transactions settling in just seconds, and the fees are negligible. XRP has been under the spotlight because of its ongoing legal battle with the SEC. While this has created some uncertainty, many traders see it as an opportunity. When there's positive news about the case, XRP's price tends to spike dramatically. This makes it a great coin for news-based trading. Even beyond the legal issues, XRP has a strong use case and continues to be adopted by institutions worldwide. Its price movements are often sharp and pronounced, which is ideal for traders looking to capitalize on volatility. XRP is a coin that requires you to stay informed about news, but if you can time your trades well, it can be incredibly rewarding. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video gave you valuable insights into how I make $500 every day trading altcoins and introduced you to some great trading opportunities. Remember, trading isn't a get-rich-quick game. It takes time, effort, and discipline. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more trading tips. Let me know in the comments which altcoin you're most excited about, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.